Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Dell Bluetooth driver on your Windows 11 computer. Now for this, go to dell.com/support. Now once you go to Dell website, scroll down. Over here you can write down the service tag number of your computer, or you can even just click on it, and if you see your model number you can click on your model number, or you can even use this detect this PC automatically, or you can click on browse all products. Make sure that you select your model number over here. Select your computer. Now once you select your model number, now go to drivers and downloads, and then over here you will see expand option. Click on expand. Now over here select Windows 11, and then under category click on this drop down option, and then go to network, Ethernet and wireless. Put a check on this box and then scroll down. Now over here you will find your Bluetooth driver. So here you can see this is the Bluetooth driver, and rest are actually Wi-Fi driver, Ethernet. So this is the one Bluetooth driver, and over here I can see killer and Intel. So you can just make sure that you're downloading the right one. So you can go to device manager, make a right click in the start menu, and then go to device manager and then expand Bluetooth. So here you can see I have Intel. So this Bluetooth driver has killer and Intel Bluetooth driver. So I will download this one. This is the right one for me. Click on download and let download complete. Now once the download is complete, run the exe file. So run this exe file and then click on yes to allow, and then click on install and let the installation complete. If you receive any kind of on-screen instruction, just follow it, and just in my case I clicked on install and I'm waiting for the install. And here you can see the update installer operation is successful. So in my case it is installed. So once installed, you can restart your computer and then you can check. So this is how you can install the Bluetooth driver. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.